Hello, and welcome to Breathe Well Coaching. I'm Coach E, a physiologist, wellness, and breathing coach, and I specialize in helping people overcome stress and anxiety through holistic practices like breath work and mindfulness. If you're holding tension in your body, whether it's in your jaw, shoulders, stomach, pelvic floor, or chest, this guided meditation is for you. We'll explore the connection between tension patterns, our nervous system, and emotional frequencies or energy using techniques like diaphragmatic breathing and a conscious body scan. We'll work to release tension and invite peace and calm into your body and your mind. So please find a comfortable position, whether it's seated or laying down, and let's begin. Part 1, Grounding and Setting Intentions. Take a moment to close your eyes and bring your awareness to this very present moment. Allow your body to settle in to the surface beneath you, feeling supported. Feel the points of contact on your body, your feet on the ground, your back, maybe against the floor or a chair, your body resting on the ground beneath you. Just feel the weight of your body and see if you can sink or melt the body, releasing, surrendering down into the ground, letting go. And we'll begin with a gentle inhalation through the nose, very small, and a longer exhalation softly through the mouth. No need to force, just have a smooth, gentle breath. Inhaling nice and light and exhaling out of the mouth, long and slow. Set the intention for this time. You are here to release tension. You're here to find calm and allow your body and mind to work together in harmony. Our body is always present here in this moment, but it's our mind that tends to overthink things, either predicting or worrying about the future or ruminating and holding on to the past. So our monkey mind sometimes needs to be connected to the body, the mind-body connection. And we use the body, our somatic, sensory, physical state to anchor the mind. This is a cultivation of presence. And when you're here, when you're fully present, that's when you can access joy, peace, love, these higher emotions that really bring fulfillment to our life. It doesn't happen immediately. It's a practice. It's a journey. So each time you come to your mat, each time you come to a meditation or a breathing session on my channel is an opportunity for you to practice this skill of being present, of being connected. The world is trying to distract us in so many different ways, and we sometimes like to escape and to numb, and it's hard for us to be present. So it's a good thing to practice on a regular basis to build this skill. So be gentle and kind with yourself as you're learning any other new skill. You always want to give yourself time, be consistent, and consistency over time equals success. It equals change. So bring a smile to your face, and all you're doing now is breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Part 2, I'm going to educate on tension and emotional frequencies. So this part of the meditation, just receive the information. Try to stay present with your breath in and out. If for some reason that breathing pattern doesn't work for you, that's okay. Just find something that does. And just start to receive some of this information about tension patterns. Our bodies often carry tension as a reflection of our emotional state. Emotions like shame, guilt, anxiety, and resentment can create specific patterns of muscular tension. For example, the jaw may clench in response to stress, the stomach may tighten with fear, or the shoulders may rise and hold tension as we carry the weight of worry. We wear our emotions in our body. Some of this research was given by Dr. David Hawkins with his work on emotional frequencies and how it shows that lower frequencies And certain emotions like apathy, guilt, and fear can cause us to get stuck in cycles that really affect our nervous system. Over time, this impacts our muscular tone, creating tension and even atrophy, which is weakness. But here's the good news. Continue breathing. The good news is that you can break the cycle. When we practice shifting into a higher frequency, when we choose emotions like gratitude, love, compassion, and kindness, we create space for the body to relax, connect, and heal. This meditation that you're doing today or this evening is all about stepping into that willingness to let go of what doesn't serve you, as cliche as that sounds, and to choose peace, joy, love. It is an active work. This is a mindfulness meditation, and you will really start to reap the benefits as you start to tune in to these emotional states and how they're affecting your physical body. You cannot separate the two. Just like if I told you something that made you feel embarrassed, your cheeks would flush with redness. Our bodies are connected to our emotions. It's so simple, but it's so profound if you start to pick up on this. How you're thinking and feeling might be affecting your physical tension, pain, and getting stuck in this cycle. And so we can use the body, a tool for us to get out of some of these emotional frequencies that we've been really comfortable being in for a long time. This is the deep work I love to do with clients. Let's move into part 3. Thank you for listening. Thank your body and mind for staying present. If your mind started to move to forward thought or even to ruminating on the past, just bring it back to the physical body. We're moving into a body scan and breath work now. This is part 3. Let's start with the conscious body scan. I love doing this, especially if you know that you hold tension in the body. So bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice if you're holding any tension in your scalp or your forehead or around your eyes. As you inhale gently through your nose, imagine your breath filling this area with lightness. And as you exhale, imagine yourself releasing tension. Inhale, fill with light in the head, and exhale, release tension. Now move your awareness to your jaw. Is it tight? Is it clenched? Allow your jaw to soften, your teeth to part slightly, and your tongue to rest gently in your mouth. Now bring awareness to your neck and shoulders. With each exhale, feel your shoulders melting. I love that word. Melt away the tension from your ears and releasing into your neck and shoulders. Allow your brain to tell your body to let go of the weight you've been carrying here. Let go. Maybe it's a forgiveness, it's a releasing or a surrender that you need to do in your life. Let go. With each exhale, that's your opportunity. Now shift your attention to your chest, your heart. Notice if it feels open or tight without judging yourself or criticizing yourself. Please just notice with kindness and love. And with each inhale, imagine creating space in your chest, a lightness, a brightness. With each exhale, let the tension drift away, removing it from your physical body, saying goodbye. Thank you. You're not serving me anymore. I'm going to let you go now. Now bring your awareness to your stomach. Are you gripping or holding anywhere in the tummy? The upper abs, the belly, just soften. On your next exhale, let the belly go. Let it be. Be kind. Remind your body it is safe to relax. Now move to your pelvic floor. Often tension can reside here without us even realizing it. As you breathe gently, allow this area to release. Inhale, feel if you can feel a nice gentle stretch in the pelvic floor, even the butt area. So breathe low on your inhale and then soften. Exhale, release, melting that tension. Breathe in and breathe out. I like to breathe in sometimes through the nose, gentle, gentle, and then exhale through the mouth. That pattern feels really nice for me. So I invite you to try it. Finally, bring your awareness to your legs. your feet, and your toes. Feel them become heavy, grounded, and completely at ease. Thank your feet for walking you through this life, for supporting the rest of your body. Thank you, feet. Bring a smile to your face and just notice the body now as you've moved through any of the tension patterns that you might have and you've used a body scan to release. Just notice the difference of your physical body. It's evidence to you that there is a mind-body connection here. Let's move into part 4. This is about breathing and releasing tension. Now shift your focus to your breath again. We're going to practice gentle 360-degree diaphragmatic breathing, which I love because it's not always about inhaling and using your neck and shoulders or taking big, deep inhales. We want to access our respiratory diaphragm muscle, our breathing muscle, when we inhale, and we want it to flatten out on the inhale. When that happens, your ribs open up, they stretch laterally. Your belly gets a stretch, your low back gets a stretch, even the pelvic floor gets a stretch. So you can see on the inhale, keep it gentle, but you'll have a nice 360-degree opening. That's what I want. And then exhale, everything relaxes in towards the midline. This is our proper breathing pattern and the one I want you primarily using throughout the day. We only need to breathe from our neck and shoulders when we're trying to access fight, flight, or freeze. So when we're exercising or we need to prepare to run, so that's when we're going to use our neck and shoulders to breathe, and that's going to be a more shallow breath. I don't want you breathing like that throughout the day. So let's continue to practice this 360-degree diaphragmatic breathing. As you inhale softly through your nose, feel your ribs open up laterally, your belly stretch, your back expand in all directions, like a balloon inflating. And gently exhale, allowing everything to contract. It's not a forceful contraction, but it's a relaxation contraction, eccentrically moving naturally in towards the midline. Let's do that together. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now continue with that pace, focusing on the exhale being a little longer, a little slower than the inhale, and focusing on the inhale, stretching the ribs laterally. Get that 360-degree inhale. This will activate your parasympathetic nervous system state and help you to balance your nervous system. This is your body's natural calming response. And do this for 3 more breaths. Guide yourself with this pattern of a shorter inhale and a longer exhale using the diaphragm. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Just keep it nice and easy, breathing in and breathing out a little bit longer than your inhale. Wherever you're at, do 1 more breath. And we'll move into part 5, which is my closing thoughts. So as you rest here, again, thank yourself for all the attention you've brought to this practice. I want you to also notice how your body feels. Has the tension shifted? Has your breathing become more gentle and natural? Remember, releasing tension isn't just about relaxing your muscles. It's about processing emotions regularly, moving out of emotional frequencies that are keeping you stuck in that tension pattern, like fear, anxiety, worry, guilt, shame, apathy, depression, these frequencies that kind of keep us stuck. They can be really informative too. So if you're feeling that way, it's a cue for you. It's time to go deeper and explore. As you do that, as you process, then you can move into inviting more gratitude, love, and calm into your life. It's a very active process. This practice, in my opinion, and many of my clients' opinions as well, can be such a powerful tool for breaking the cycle of tension and emotional overwhelm. The more you practice, the more you'll create space for those higher, more life-giving frequencies, the emotions that bring peace and joy into your mind and body, harmony. Thank you for joining me for this mindfulness meditation. If you found it helpful, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, Breathe Well Coaching. Share this video with a friend who might need it. Sharing is caring, and let me know in the comments how this practice felt for you. Remember, every time you choose peace, you're making a powerful step towards a healthier, calmer, and more connected self. Until next time, breathe well and be well, friends. Thank you. Welcome to Breathe Well Coaching. We're here to help you connect within from the comfort of your own home, to help you overcome stress and anxiety through guided breath work, mindful meditation, and somatic movement practices like yoga and Pilates. You can also partner with one of our certified health and wellness coaches so that you can make positive, lasting, and sustainable changes in your health and well-being. For more details, check out Breathe Well Coaching.